Okay, so we move into Boolean multiplication and we can set a Boolean. So we just create a variable here equals to true, for example, times by. So we're going to do multiplication instead of a summation, true. And then we will do print B, and we will also print the type of B. And again, we know we already got the idea from the Boolean additions that these Booleans here get converted into integers, and a true evaluates to a number of 1, an integer value of 1, and a false evaluates into an integer value of 0. So if we've got a true times a true, that will look into in the Python interpreter as a 1 times by a 1, so printing the value of b will be 1 times 1, and we should get a type of integer, even though we are multiplying, we're doing the product of two booleans. So let's just run that piece of code just to see, and indeed we do get a class of integer. And one thing that we can do is the conversion, so we can do the type conversion of the integer back to a boolean, so we can do print the type, or sorry, we can do print, and then in fact just before that we will do b equals a boolean of b, which will convert. Boolean is of type integer at this point, and we're going to convert it back into a boolean. Hover over the method in Python, and it says return true when the argument x is true, and return false otherwise. So that's exactly what's going to happen. And now when we do print b, we will get a true that comes back from this. So that is simple Boolean multiplication, and there we see the true that comes back.